Welcome to the channel, guys, and today I'm going to show you my entire collection as of February 2023. Forgive me if my room's a little bit dusty. I have a full-time job and I haven't really found time to clean this room. So I got Funkos, Legos, assorted toys. I'm going to show all of them to you today. And here's a part of the room that's not yet fixed. I'm about to put a glass cabinet here. So let's start off with my first out of a total of 60 minifigure boxes. This is a box for horror minifigures. And disclaimer, these are bootleg minifigures. I do collect both. I have no issues getting original, third party, or even custom minifigures, because all I want to do is just display them and look at them. And then here's a box for Ninja Turtles, Stranger Things, and here's for Street Fighter, as well as Mortal Kombat and some Ninjago at the back. Here's a box for Squid Game minifigures together with the tree and the doll. And this is a box for Looney Tunes, Angry Birds, and Paw Patrol. Here are a couple of Minecraft minifigures mashed up with Marvel and DC characters. Assorted TV minifigures. I've got G.I. Joe, Breaking Bad, Prison Break, NBA, Pirates of the Caribbean, and even Money Heist at the back. Here are some of my favorite anime characters. Growing up as a 90s kid, we have Ghost Fighter here, Doraemon, One Piece, and Hunter x Hunter. And then here is Simpsons minifigures, Sesame Street, SpongeBob, and Adventure Time, and then a couple of FNAF, KOS, and Bear Brick mashed minifigures. Here are Naruto minifigures. They are very popular, but I only have one box. And here are Demon Slayer minifigures. There's still a lot of figures I haven't collected as of yet. Here are the Mechas, the Transformers, and Kamen Riders, Harry Potter minifigures. Disney, Pixar, Scooby-Doo, and Princess, Sonic Adventure and The Boys, and Dragon Ball minifigures, one of my favorite animes growing up. Hulk minifigures, some more Marvel stuff like Deadpool, Fantastic Four, Ghost Rider, Ant-Man, and my Transparent Avengers crystal minifigures. I love the look of this. Zombie minifigures, Black Widow, Eternals, Guardians of the Galaxy. There's a movie coming this summer. I'm very excited for that. As well as Spider-Man No Way Home minifigures. Couple of Marvel villains here. MODOK, we just saw him in Ant-Man. He was knighted as an Avenger. That was a funny part. And then a couple more Spider-Man villains, or villain gallery here. So got a lot of Iron Man and Spider-Man minifigures, as you can see. Couple more Iron Man mixed with DC heroes. and Hulkbusters right here. So that's basically the first set of 30 boxes, nearly 30 boxes to be quite honest. And then here to start the second part, Iron Man minifigures, a couple of Venom minifigures here. Star Wars, I got the Bad Batch and Loki from the Loki series. A couple of Gundams and several DC minifigures here. Up until here. Some random minifigures. You get McDonald's and Jollibee and KFC, and then we got WandaVision Scarlet Witch collection here. Some more Star Wars minifigures. I like the chrome Darth Vader at the front, as you can see. Some more Spider-Man minifigures. This is the Avengers Endgame set here. Captain America, Falcon and the Winter Soldier, Batman, of course, one of my favorite DC characters, Star Wars Boba Fett / Mandalorian box. We got Thor Love and Thunder here. And we got a lot of Plants vs. Zombies minifigures. I like the size of this zombies. And my third DC box for the Suicide Squad, and then we got Moon Knight, Daredevil, Hawkeye series, and X-Men 90s. Get some more What If and other new Marvel minifigures. Power Rangers set right here. I love the OG Power Rangers minifigures there. Some more X-Men, the newer versions here. And Doctor Strange in Multiverse of Madness set. I got my favorite WWE custom set, so I ordered for this to be custom made. My fourth DC box with the Justice League Snyder Cut figures, a couple of Godzillas here, Christmas Avengers and DC set, and some more Marvel minifigures. So that's basically the entire Marvel DC Star Wars anime set right there. That's roughly around 3,000 minifigures. I've lost count, to be quite honest. And these are my original Lego minifigures. And I have a picture of my family here. Just put it here to inspire me daily. I got a lot of CMF Lego Marvel figures here. Basically from the CMF series, from different sets. We got the Hydra Stomper there, Ironmonger, Shumagorath at the back, some of the vehicles from the Marvel sets. We got the Hulkbuster Sakarian version, that episode that we did not get to see from What If. Some more Marvel minifigures right here, a Wolverine mech. Here's Yelena. And a couple of chibi cute minifigures. They look so cute. I like them. Going on the second level, I got some Star Wars minifigures. Here's the Goat Boat from the Thor Love and Thunder, and some Lego CMF minifigures there. There's a mixture of there's Mr. Bean. There's a mixture of some bootleg minifigures at the front because I really ran out of space with them. I don't know where to put them right now. I'm afraid they might collapse if I place these boxes at the top. And here are some unopened Batman Minions minifigure set right here. So I'm really big on minifigures for Lego. I don't collect structures and other Lego sets. That's just the minifigures. And here are some of McDonald's, Jollibee, Transformers Happy Meal toys, with some loose Funkos at the box. This one, Miss Minutes, I took her out of the box because I love the glow in the dark. And yeah, a couple of Chibi Justice League set here, a couple of Kit Kat Break Transformers, and at the bottom some of the Lego sets that I built. They're bootleg, by the way. And on the other side we have Jollibee / McDonald's, Happy Meal toys, some Minions, Teen Titans, Space Jam, and other figures right here. These toys remind me of my enjoyment in collecting with my kids, so I treasure all of these toys. And we have a Jollibee set right here, mixed with some WWE figures, Star Wars Hasbro figures. Got a Darth Vader plastic statue right there. Here's my favorite NWO faction, Too Sweet. Got HBK, John Cena. Here's the Jollibee and other Happy Meal toys right here. Kiddie Meal toy, should I say. And on to my favorite part of the glass cabinet, we have the Iron Studios 110 pieces. So let's open it and see it clearly. Look at the dust here. Again, I'm sorry, I haven't really found time to clean my room. Really busy at work. So this is Scarlet Witch, and we have Thor from Endgame, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Hawkeye, Rescue, and Captain America with a broken shield from Endgame. So basically I started with the Marvel Trinity, the MCU Trinity, so should I say. And then at the top layer we got my favorite 110 statue, Ghost Rider. Look at the details at the base, the fire on the wheels of the motorcycle. And I got a plastic statue here for Wolverine. This is a Sega statue. And at the back we have armored Batman. I really dig this costume of Bruce Wayne. And I got an Iron Man from Civil War, Iron Studios 110 scale as well. And some Marvel Gallery Diamond Select Black Panther and Venom right here. So those are my wanted statues. I plan on occupying this space with a couple more glass cabinets when we get the budget. So now let's go to a few Funko Pops in the collection. We got Loki here, different variants of Loki, Thor Love and Thunder, some Doctor Strange and Multiverse of Madness Funko. Here's the latest batch of No Way Home Funko Pops. Oops. And yeah, I'm really running out of space at the back. Some more Marvel Funko Pops here. I used to have a lot of Funko Pops, but I grew tired at some point. I sold most of them. I'm really starting to get back in the collection now. So I got a lot of Star Wars here. Some of my favorite rappers, Goku. My favorite factions in WWE, Degeneration X and New World Order. And down here we got a mixture of a few DC Pops and mostly dominated by WWE Funko Pops. Again, I had a lot of WWE Funko Pops before I decided to, scale down on the collection. And here are a few Marvel Funko Pops. We got Ant-Man and Quantumania set. I have a separate vlog for that. Some Black Panther, Moon Knight,
Spider-Man, Hulk, and many others. And here's my growing collection of comic covers. I really dig the presentation here of the comic covers plus the Funko inside. So they really look good on display. Just kind of gets you on nostalgia mode, remembering your days reading all of these comic books. So yeah, I plan on getting every single one that's going to come out as long as they're easy to cop, because some of them are, store exclusives that are limited. So here's my comic cover collection. So yeah, that's basically it. My humble toy collection right here. Let me know down in the comment section if there's anything you've liked, you want me to review, you want me to add in the collection. Thanks. Hope you liked that video. For more videos like this, please subscribe. Don't miss on any of my new uploads.